Clivia auto measurement tools enable you to quickly get the information you need to make fast decisions. Select the correct probe and preset in order to properly use the Auto VTI tool. In this case, the SP5-1-H probe and adult cardiac preset are used. Using B-mode imaging, perform a 5-chamber apical view, enter the PW mode, and put the volume gauge at the aortic valve. Tap the PW button again to have the spectrum. Select VCalc and choose Auto VTI located on the bottom left-hand side of the touchscreen. You will then see your measurement displayed on your touchscreen's top left-hand side. If you want to move the sheet, just tap it and move it to the place you prefer. VTI Trending is a tool that will allow you to quickly visualize the trend over the course of time, and it will help determine the next course of action and treatment. To activate VTI Trending, finish the VTI calculating first. Save the image and then tap Trending at the bottom of your screen. Here displays an example of VTI trending. We can also display CO or EF or IVC trending here. Volume flow is an important parameter during the vascular examination. In the traditional case, doctors have to measure the vessel diameter first and then trace the spectrum to obtain the VTI value, and finally they can get their volume flow. But with this auto volume flow tool, all operations can be reduced to one step. You just need to tap the VCalc and choose vol flow. All the parameters including volume flow will be automatically calculated and displayed on the top left-hand side of your touchscreen. We believe this will save a lot of time and make the examination more efficient. To activate your autovascular tool, select the correct probe and preset first. I'll take the L15-4NB-H as an example. Here we have a short axis view of the carotid. Freeze the image first and then tap VCalc and select VAS. You will have a cursor appear in the middle of the screen. Move the cursor to the proper position and tap it again. You will see the measurements displayed on the top left-hand side of your touchscreen. Autovascular tool will automatically calculate the vessel area, vessel diameter, and vessel depth. Besides, this tool will also offer you a PICC catheter recommend. This will greatly reduce the risk during the puncture and provide doctors with a safer, more efficient puncture solution. As we all know, the diaphragm is the major muscle supporting breathing function, especially for critical patients who are using ventilators. It's important for them to assess their spontaneous breathing ability before the doctor takes off their ventilator. Auto diaphragm tool provides such a safe and efficient solution. Enter the M mode and steer the beam vertically with the diaphragm. Tap VCalc and choose Diaph. The diaphragm displacement, diaphragm velocity, diaphragm acceleration, and instructory time will be displayed on the top left-hand side of your touchscreen.